What's up everyone, I'm Jason. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make air fried, bacon wrapped, cheese stuffed meatballs from scratch. They're delicious and easy. So let's get started. All right, we're going to start with a pound of hamburger. Next goes a pound of ground pork. We're going to add a cup of breadcrumbs. These are Italian seasoned. We're going to put in a cup of finely shredded Parmesan cheese. And we have some salt and pepper, some parsley, garlic powder, and we're going to dump that in. By the way, the recipe and all the ingredients are in the description. Next, we're going to add 1 egg. All right, now we're going to take our gloved hands and we're going to gently mix this together. Just don't want to overmix, but you don't want to undermix too. Somewhere in between. All right, we're going to go for about baseball size, which sounds big for a meatball, but we're going to cook it long enough and we'll check the temp to make sure we get thoroughly done. So I'm going to start with this and I'm going to weigh this. So we're right about 4 ounces, so that should mean 8 meatballs. So we're just going to keep on going. Make our 8 meatballs, and then we will do the next step. All right, so we ended up with 10 meatballs. My meatball math was off. I forgot about the cheese and breadcrumbs I added, so we ended up with 10. So now we gotta take these beautiful balls, and now we're gonna just kind of break them open, take cheese, and stuff it in. And then make it into a beautiful ball again. All right, now that we have our cheese stuffed into our meatballs, we're gonna add even more magic to our meatballs. We're gonna take bacon and we're gonna wrap each of these meatballs in a piece of bacon. All right, we're on 400 degrees, air fry. Oops, we put these on the bottom. These are some big meatballs. And we're gonna go 10 minutes, and then we're gonna check temp and probably flip at that point. All right, we went for 15 minutes. These are some big, good size balls. So we're gonna pull these out and we're going to quick check temp to see how close we are. I'm guessing we're a ways yet. Ooh, we're not far. In fact, I think we're going to creep up to 165, but I am going to flip them so we can crisp up the bacon on the bottom side. These look really good. All right, we're going to go back in for 5 minutes. That was the last 5 minutes. They're looking delicious. All right, here they are. You can see a little bit of the cheddar, a little bit of the Jarlsberg oozing out. And just for food safety, we're going to check temp on this. Yeah, there we go. 170. Let's check this bad boy. Yeah, 165. We are good to go. Safe to eat. These smell amazing. Let's cut one open. Here's the money shot. There's our bacon wrapped, cheddar stuffed air fryer meatball. Ooh, look at that. Some golden gooey goodness on the inside. Check that out. All right, let's cut this and get a bite. You get a good bacon and cheddar bite here. Ooh. You can taste the seasoning in the meat. So glad I went with pork hamburger mixture, not just straight up beef. That's so good. It's moist. A lot of people hate that word, but it is so good. I mean, how can it not be? Cheddar, bacon, good Italian seasoning, you know that. This is really good. I recommend you try it. It's actually not that difficult. I think you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. I'm Jason.